So this is the first experiment of computer networking lab in which we show about the basic networking command line tools in which we use 14 types of command tools here. Now the right side of PPT shows the command tools of which we done in the lab, and this shows my personal PC. Now here we go into the first command which is ipconfig, and this command ipconfig, this command is syntax is ipconfig. This description is to examine a node's IP address. If you see on my PC, we can see the node's IP address of LAN connection and all. And the next one is about ipconfig all, in which it examines a node's IP address thoroughly. So you can see in my PC ipconfig all. Now you can see my nodes IP address thoroughly of my own personal computer, and the next name is host name, which will give to obtain a host name of a node, that means your own PC. Now you can see here, in which you can see laptop 196 ICKC2 is my host name, and now get MAC, which is used to get a MAC address of a node. And next you are going to see NetSet. Its syntax is NetSet. Is used to obtain the information about the active connections. Now you can see in my own PC. You can see that the addresses are loading, which states about the established state and close wait state. And we can see foreign address and local address, and protocols use TCP protocol. Mhm. And next we see about nested we have seen, and now we see nested yes. Its syntax is nested yes, and the description is to obtain the information about the packets, that is the information you send between the computers, which shown by this nested yes. You can see that the addresses are still loading. Now you can see nested yes. Now you can see the IPv4 stat6 and IPv6 stat6, and this UDP, which is used for generation of packets, that is for the transfer or change of packets between the two personal PCs or between the connections. And then now we see about netstat C. Its syntax is netstat C, and it's used to view the BIOS cache table maintained by the OPS. It shows the table between the host address that you maintain. Now you can see Ethernet, Wi-Fi, local area connection, and now you see about the command. You say command netstat R. Its syntax is nbtstat R, and its description is give details about the broadcast communications that you in any international conference or like that. Now see, now it is. Sorry. Now you can see that it is resolved by broadcast 0 and restarted by broadcast is 14. And now we see about the netstat N, and it is used as user restarted, and we can see here Now in my PC you can see this nbt stat, and you can see the information about all Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and we can see the unique status registered MAC groups, local connections, no app syncage, and all. And now the next command tool is root print, and the syntax is root print, and description is to show the routing table, or we can some we call mapping table between the two personal PCs or between the two computers. Now we see in this root print. Now you can see the root tables of IPv4 and IPv6 root tables. And next command we are going to see is ARPA, and the syntax is ARPA, and it is used to display IP to MAC address mapping table, that which we have address mapping table. Now we see in our PC. Now we can see the internet address, physical address, and type. Dynamic and static types are the two types in which we can see in it RPA. And the next command tool is ping, and it is used to in syntax is ping, and the description is to ping a host IP. IP means it's a address. Now we can see in my PC. Now we can see using ping, and we can see the different options dealing with them. Now the next one is trace route, and syntax is trace host, trace rate host, and description shows the route of packet to its destination. That is, it connects between the two pieces. Now we can, if we want to send any packets, we can send to trace rate. Now we can see it in my PC. This is trace rate. And using trace rate and options, we can do not resolve address and host names, maximum hosts, and all that. And we should type another computer name to send the packets. And the next one is path ping. Path ping, and the syntax is path space ping, and this description is to command gives details of the journey of the packet that in which we have done the any two PCs or anything. And you can see that there is nothing in my personal PC. So this is how it is. These are the command tools of forwarding command tools which is in command prompt. Thank you.